Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to extract and transcribe text from a video using ShotCut. Let's get started. First, open the ShotCut app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the Extract Text option. Next, you'll need to choose the video you want to transcribe. Select your video from your device. Below the video selection, you'll see an option to select the video language. Choose the appropriate language from the list of supported languages. After selecting the language, tap on the Extract Text button. The app will now begin transcribing your video. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the app is transcribing and creating auto captions. Once the transcription is complete, you'll be able to see the transcribed text on your screen.
Passwords have been around for a long time, but they're a pain for your users and a liability for you as a developer.
If needed, you can edit the transcribed text directly in the app. To save your transcribed text, tap on the Export button. You can export the text as an SRT file or a TXT file. And that's it! You've successfully transcribed text from a video using ShotCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching!